neurons, just to name a few, not just devices, receptors. The more we connected, the more data they absorbed. Every sight, every pulse, every unspoken thought quietly echoed back
What
into
did he
the brain.
say? Unspoken thought. The unspoken.
Most people thought 5G meant faster downloads. They weren't entirely wrong, but G doesn't mean generation. In the classified documents from EchoBody's later phase, G was said to mean grid, as in neural control grid. 5G was the rollout. 6G, that's the activation. Unlike its predecessors, 6G isn't just about speed, it's about comprehension.
Ito yung sinasabi kong time will come. Time will tell you one day.
With higher frequency millimeter waves and AI-assisted